All right, so we're just going to jump right into this. So first we need to talk about what is an affiliate. An affiliate is someone who represents or promotes a product or service on behalf of the product or service creator. And for every successful sale or conversion, the company or person in charge of that product or service agrees to compensate the affiliate by giving them some sort of a commission. So here's how it works. So you, the affiliate, are promoting a particular offer or product to a particular group of individuals who are looking for that item. They would go through your affiliate link and then purchase. When they purchase that product or service, the company and then the company in turn would reward you by compensating you for that. So it's no different than an offline business. Say if you're friends with an auto mechanic shop, maybe you're customers of them and you refer a friend or a couple of people to them, getting them more business and more revenue. They may agree to give you maybe a free service, discount on your next service, or compensate you with like a gift card or some money or something. So it's no different than offline. It's just taking that same concept online. So basically, you're referring others to a product or service, and then after they purchase that product or service, the company will then re the company will then compensate you for that because it's tracked with an affiliate link, and that's how they track it back to you. So basically, you don't need to overcomplicate this or anything. You don't have to be a salesman or anything. You're basically just kind of the middleman. You're driving traffic. You're pointing visitors that are seeking these products and services, and you're pointing them and connecting them to that product or service. So you're actually just acting as sort of a middleman. And a lot of times, if you're direct linking to that particular offer, these users don't even know that you exist. So that's affiliates explained in a nutshell, and in the next video we will talk about some different types of traffic and the one that we're going to be focusing on in this course.